So what is hey! This says primer on it, so. Do I put it just all over my face?
Why am I telling you how to do it?
Okay, fine, okay. Fucking, I don't.
This is amazing.
I hope I'm gonna be good. I feel like I'm gonna be good at this. You know, I got a good feeling. I feel like I'm gonna look beautiful at the end.
Well, you already look beautiful.
How much should I put on? Is this a fine amount? I will figure it out. It's like something you do, right? Oh, it's on my eyebrows. Oh no. Is that fine? Is that gonna come off later? Oh, we'll figure it out. Yeah, I fucked it up already. I don't even think.
Have you ever seen me put my foundation on with my fingers?
What do you? You got one of those eggs. Hey, here's one. Is this a thing that I do? Mm-hmm. Okay. I don't understand. Is this a thing? Am I doing it right? Just it's point and click, right? Like just rub it all over your face. Okay, now what's the other? This is the next thing that's moving on is concealer, right? And is that supposed to be a shade lighter, right? How do you do I put the brush directly on my face? What do I put? What areas do I apply this to? Help me! I'm just gonna put this all anywhere. Do I use the egg for this too? Do I use this? Is this a thing that I do? Yes. Whatever. You're mean.
I've always like watched those videos of like boyfriend does his own makeup, and I'm like, oh my god, he has to be pretending to like not get it.
I've never done this before. I don't even paint or draw or do any of that shit. Why do I still have acne? I still have acne, and that needs to be concealed. So I'm gonna just do like more spot cleaning, sort of. You know, like this is blended terribly.
Well,
right?
When your technique isn't the best.
What is a good technique?
I like dab the sponge, like you bounce it into your skin. Better, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Why do I still have acne? Because
I use medium coverage stuff because I don't have acne.
Yeah, well, not all this could be your girl, Kath. Now what do I need? No, I look pretty good already. Contour, right? Is that a thing?
Yeah.
And that's supposed to be dark, yes. How do I do this?
Look at all of these things on my dresser. They're not just a decoration.
Oh man, this is a tough choice. Does it matter what color I do?
I mean,
what kind of brush should I choose? I am gonna do this brush. Is this a good choice? Brush?
Sure. Go ahead.
I feel like you're lying to me. Oh wait, what am I supposed to contour again? Just, I know it's on the cheeks.
Yeah.
Is that it?
That's all I do. Sometimes I do my nose.
Is this a thing?
Advanced technique.
That I feel like I'm fucking this up already. Yeah, this is fucked up.
You take you so seriously.
I'm trying to do it well, Madeline. All right, put some respect on my name. Oh shit! Now it looks terrible. Wait, maybe I just do some more. Oh yeah, huh? Okay. I feel like this is bad. I think my original prediction about being good at this was incorrect. I feel like I should do my eyebrows. Where's an eyebrow thing?
You don't need a lot. You should tell.
Is this?
Brow mascara.
I feel like this is regular mascara. You just haven't noticed.
Oh, literally look at the tube.
Brow mascara. Okay. Oh no, Catherine.
What?
Catherine, what have I done?
Try cleaning it up with some concealer.
Oh, is that a thing?
Yeah.
And I just got the concealer all over my eyebrow again. This is deeply upsetting.
eyeshadow time.
Am I pretty enough?
You're missing eyeshadow, eyeliner, and highlighter.
Okay, eyeliner. A highlighter. This is highlighter, right?
No.
This is highlighter, right?
Yes.
It says illuminator right on it. Here?
Mm-hmm.
That's too much, I think.
No such thing.
Where else do I put this? Wait, let me just look at you. Oh, it's like in your T section and like on your cheeks.
I feel like you need a more vibrant highlighter. This is a subtle glow one.
I'm all about subtle glow. I feel like this is not that bad.
No, it really isn't.
Hey. Now, eyeshadow is one thing I don't know how to do. You thought I was going to say do know how to do that. I don't know what kind of eyeshadow I want to do. There's a lot of powder flying off of that. I don't like this color. I chose a bad color. I can always just put different colors over it, right? Isn't that a thing that I can do? Whatever. This one is my skin color.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go fun. I'm gonna do this one.
Oh.
What? What is the issue? I went way too high, didn't I? Wow.
Wipe with like the clean edge of this first.
And you know what? That's all I needed to do. It's fine. Why is this camera clearer than my vision? Okay. I got it this time.
I can literally see powder flying off your face as you do this.
Is it not supposed to be? Because it's everywhere. Is this a bad brush? I feel like it's the brush. People do this every day. It's insane. I'll figure out the rest of that later. I will move on to the other eye. Yeah, I told you I was gonna do well. I told you I had a good feeling about this. It's not symmetrical. I think I want it to be because I'm gonna do a half cut crease because I've seen you do that. I feel like I can pull that off. Yeah, because that's literally all you ever do, and I definitely feel like I can. Oh, hey, I'm pretty. I don't like this palette. It's boring. Oh shit! I dropped the egg. Okay. Do you have a fun? I'm gonna use this one. Ooh, this is fun. This has got all kinds of. I feel like I'm gonna do some. Well, I shouldn't have done the purple because now I want to do green. I would have done green and brown.
Complementary colors.
Would have done green and bronze. That's what I would have done if I had known. Whatever. I guess I'm gonna do this goldenrod sort of shit right here. Or showing up at least. Or is it? Maybe I just can't see.
I think it's partially your skin color and partially that you didn't use primer.
I did use primer.
Not eye primer.
Eye primer? You were supposed to be like,
there's a thing.
We like to have fun here. You know. It's a fun household. Do you have anything glittery?
Oh, honey.
I mean that like I won't mess up.
You'll like this one.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's exactly the one I was looking for. Because you know what's gonna happen to that one is it's gonna go in the middle. This is fun. I do this all the time. I feel like that's not bad at all.
Bonus points if you can tell me what this like concept that you're trying to do is like called IRL. Like when you're trying to do like the shiny in the center of the lid.
What was it called? What is it called? What is the concept?
A halo eye.
A halo eye, called it. First try. I feel like Jessica Rabbit right now. Like, it's before your time.
I'm older than you.
Who Framed Roger Rabbit?
Both of you guys.
Who Framed Roger Rabbit?
By like 2 years.
You're only a year old.
No one asked. You're not in the video, Madeline. All right. You're not.
No,
you're not a part of this video.
Are you okay?
Maddie. Okay. Now I want to do eyeliner. I think this looks pretty good. You disagree. Okay. It's your silence speaks volumes. I'm gonna do winged eyeliner. I think I look cute. Wait, what do I line? But where? Ah, I ruined it. It was going so well at first, too. And now it's all over my pretty purple... whatever. Oh, that's just... depressing to look at. Are you ambidextrous with this?
Yeah.
Okay, then I must be as well. Oh god, no, that's the worst thing I've ever seen. And I accidentally stumbled into r/watch people die one time, so. Ugh, god, no, that's so bad. Okay, wait, Q-tip, that's pretty bad. Don't worry, I can fix it, okay? I've been a beauty guru for 20 minutes now, so I'm pretty sure I know exactly what I'm doing. Oh, that's easy, I'll just take it all off. And I'll do some concealer down there in a second.
Wow.
Yeah, I learned that concealer conceals things. I'm really doing it now. I think that could have been worse, honestly. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, great. That definitely... Okay, could have been worse. Could have been a lot better. Could get a lot better in the future. Because this is gonna happen again. Because this is really fun.
Why do I feel like you're gonna be watching makeup videos in your own free time now?
You act like I'm... Yeah.
Oh, like other than just mine.
I don't know, that Josh Charles kid seems to know what he's talking about.
James Charles?
Yeah, whatever. James Charles, then, yeah. I need mascara. Where is it? Eyeshadow primer. Wow. Hey, no, don't worry, I found it. Yeah, thanks for all your help. Why does my mascara look all clumpy and terrible? Alright, now what?
Lipstick.
Yes.
I like that you go right for the phone colors.
Yeah.
YouTube needs more of that. You won't get another warm neutral look from this, hunty.
Why does this look so terrible? Can you answer that question for me? Why does this look like the worst thing in the world? Like prettier than usual, but not as pretty as it could be. So, I can get down with this, yeah.
Who would win?
Alright, you know, I like this. I'm happy with this. I mean,
That matters.
I'm not going out like this, but... Alright, well, that was productive. I can't wait to get better at this. I'm gonna watch some videos. Some quality videos from my favorite makeup gurus, such as the one that you talk about that's racist.
Jeffree Star.
That one, yeah. The one that you talk about that's annoying with
Laura Lee.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, and of course James Charles. You know, yeah, okay, I could be better, but whatever. Outro.